Okay, hi Kim. Okay, can you hear teacher? Can you hear me? Kim, can you hear me? Okay, Kim, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear.
Okay, very good. Okay, last time we had with the reading, I know, listening, right? You remember we have listening class. For today, we're going to have our what is that? We're going to have reading. We're going to have reading. Okay. I will share to you the screen for the reading.
Con cũng vậy, mình có mấy cái bông con sẽ không nói mình có tắt đi. Không con hỏi gì hỏi đi cho để hỏi gì hỏi chưa? Chị con đi hỏi xin tắt cho để nói chuyện nói chuyện con trường đi.
Okay. So for today, Kim, teacher will gonna show you on the reading class. We will have reading class. Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Oh, wait, Kim, ha?
Con vậy, con nói vậy. Và
Okay, ready?
trả lời.
Okay, please try to answer. You can find, you look and read, then choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, so please try to write. Okay, you can write in the chat box here. Look at teacher, ha? Can you see?
Yes.
Can you see teacher's message? Please check teacher Anne's message. I write in the chat box.
A A
Now,
dash.
wait. Hello. Oh, I write hello. Please write your answer. Okay, please write your answer. Do you know where is that chat box? Oh, you write. Oh, check the message. Okay, hello. Oh, please open the message. Oh, check the message of teacher. You write there the answer.
Yes.
This is reading. Okay, go. In the message, can you? Oh, hi. Oh, very good. Okay, you write there your answer. Okay. Okay, Kim?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay. If you are done, please tell teacher. Okay? Okay, finished? Okay, now 1, 2. Okay, let us see. Okay, number 1. Okay, can you please read number? Oh, wait. Can you please read number 1? This.
A map.
Okay, read the sentence. This, number 1, read number 1.
It is number one a map.
Okay, read this helps you find the road. What is the answer? It's a map. Very good, Kim. Okay, number 2, Kim, you read number 2. Can.
It is number two a playground.
Okay. Can you play here between lessons? Can you play here between lessons? It's playground. Very good. Two. You go to this place to choose books. You go
A
to the
library.
place. Okay, it is library. Okay. You put this on your bed on cold night. It
Yes,
is
teacher. Blanket.
blanket. Very good. If it is cold, you will gonna use blanket. Do you know blanket? Hmm?
Blanket.
You know blanket?
Yes.
Okay. You need one of this after a bath. You need one of this after a bath. It is
Towels.
very good, Kim Kim. Okay, next one, number 6. You do this game after school for your teacher. What is this? Answer, Kim, number 6.
Yes, teacher. It's homework.
Okay, it is homework. Yay, great job. Okay, so this one, you will write yes or no, okay? Please write yes or no. If you think it is correct, yes. If you think it's not correct, no, okay?
Yes, teacher. Number
Hmm.
1, a yes.
Oh, you write your answer in the chat box. You write here in the chat again.
Yes. Yes,
Read,
teacher.
read and understand. Read and write here your answer in the chat.
Yes, teacher.
Kung hindi ka mahilig mag-toothbrush, ito ang para sa'yo. Isang spray mo lang at babango agad ang hininga mo. Meron tayong dalawang flavor, peach and
on. Okay, the tiger is looking at the monkey. What is your answer? The tiger is looking at the monkey. It is. Okay, very good. Yes, look at the tiger. Tiger is looking at the monkey. Okay. Next, the fat snake is climbing a tree. Oh, where's the fat snake?
No.
Oh, fat snake climbing. Where's the fat snake? Two snakes. Two snakes.
Yes.
Oh, yes. Look at the snake. It's fat, right? Tim, it's fat, right?
I can see that.
Ah, you cannot see that. This is the fat snake. This is the small snake. Okay? Next. Okay. Two crocodiles are swimming in the rivers. Two crocodiles are swimming in the river.
No.
Oh, it is?
Only one.
No. Okay. Next one. One of the elephants is drinking in the rivers. It is? Oh,
Yes.
yes. So where's the elephant here? Oh, drinking in the river. Okay. Drinking in the river. Okay. Next one. Okay. There are bats are flying under the tree. There are bats are flying under the trees. It is?
No.
Okay. It is above the tree. Here. Okay, Kim. Okay, Kim?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
because
very good.
because the bat are flying on the tree.
Okay, it's above the tree. It's not under the tree. Very good, Kim. Yay. Have Kim. Okay. There are bats flying under the tree. The tall man has got a beard and a big hat.
Yes.
Okay, this one. Are you sure, tall man? Tall? What is your
No.
answer?
I
Okay.
think that man.
You think this one? Okay. Okay, it is? No, because the tall man doesn't have a hat. No hat, right? There is no hat for the tall man. Okay, very good, Kim. One mistake only. Next one, Kim. Okay, please encircle your answer. Okay? Okay, you write your answer. Write the letter. Letter. Okay, Kim? Ayun. Sige na, ipandar na. Gi-off na nimo. Ah, gi-off ni Kuya Kirsuan. Ganda na ho. Asaan? Na may off.
Can I write? Can I write?
Oh. Right. Sabi sa akin. Ganon. Okay, write in the chat again. Panty man ho. Okay? Sorry. Okay, so we have here. Okay. So please tell me, Kim, ha, if you're done. Okay. I didn't see you last weekend. What is your answer? Answer is, oh, letter B.
Yes.
Oh. Okay, answer is, yes, we went to my aunt's house last weekend. Kim, last weekend, past tense. Last weekend, past tense. So you will say, we went. It's past tense, okay?
And now,
Go, Kim. You can do it. Read and understand properly. Read and understand. Okay, you have the answer now. Okay. So did your sister go with you? Answer number 2. Did your sister go with you?
no, she couldn't go.
Oh, very good. No, she couldn't. Very good. Next one. Okay. Has your aunt got any children? Has your aunt got
Yes,
any children?
yes, she got 3.
Mm. Okay, answer is yes, she's got 3. Very
3.
good, Kim. Kim, very good. Yes. Next one, Kim. Okay. Where does she live? Where does she live? In the country. Very good, Kim Kim. And number 5. Can I come with you next weekend? Can I come with you next weekend? Oh, very good.
Yes.
Yay. Great job, Kim. Very good. Understand, Kim? You understand? Kim, you understand? Hmm?
Yes.
Okay? Yeah, very good. Oh, I must go home now. What is the answer, Kim? Okay, bye. Oh, very good, Kim. Great job, Kim. Okay, this one. Oh, this is quite hard. Okay, this is quite hard. You have to read the story and choose the answer here. Okay, choose. And write your answer in the chat box again. Read properly, huh? Read and understand. Okay? Go, Kim. I will write here the message. Okay, that one. Please, if you are done, you tell me, teacher, I'm finished. Okay, if you are done, teacher, I'm finished. Okay? Go.
Yes.
Read and write your, you choose answer here. This one. Okay, well, Kish, Trisha, you choose.
Yes. And now can I write?
You write here, the chat, you write again. Okay, so we have here. Okay, finish. Okay. Now, Kim, please read the story. Oh, you read the story now, okay? Please read the story. Read the story. Okay, last Saturday afternoon. Okay, go, Kim, you read. Last,
Dear teacher, number one,
no, Kim, read the story. You read.
last Saturday afternoon, I went to the cinema with my father. On the wall outside the cinema, there was a big picture of the film. We went inside. They bought our tickets and an ice cream for me. Then we sat down. The film was about a uh, farmer
Pirate.
pirate.
Mm.
His name was Tim, and he had a curly brown
Mustache.
mustache. They sailed on a boat to Iceland with some friends. They ate some coconut which they found on the beach there. Then they went fishing. After that, Tim went for a walk and found a big path between some rocks. They opened it, and inside there was a lot of treasure. Tim said to his friend, "Come and look at this." They are lost, and then when they saw inside the box, I enjoyed the film a lot.
Okay, so let us this have very good. Okay, very good, Kim. Very good. Okay, I will let you read some of the word. Okay, this one. Please read this. Oh, wait. Hmm. Okay, this one. Bought.
Yeah, but
Okay, very good. This one. Famous.
famous,
Okay, pirate.
pirate,
Okay, mustache.
mustard,
Sailed.
sail,
Oh, it's sailed. Sailed. Go.
sail,
Mm-hmm. Island. It's island.
Iceland,
Oh, it's not Iceland. Island.
island,
Very good. Okay. Beach.
beach,
Beach. Mm-hmm.
beach,
Oh. Opened.
open,
Oh, loft.
lock,
Loft. Okay, very
lock,
good. Dance.
dance,
Enjoyed.
enjoy.
Okay, very good. Yay. Great job. Okay. Yes, very good, Kim. Wow, very smart. I didn't know you're a smart boy. Oh, very good.
Yes,
Wow, great job. Oh, okay, this one. What do you think, Kim, is the best name of the story? What do you think is the best name of the story?
hmm.
It is about what is the best name of the story? A day at the shops,
I
an
think
afternoon with dad, or a morning lessons?
an afternoon with that.
Okay, an afternoon with dad. This one, letter B. Oh, very good. Wow, smart boy. Okay. Okay, this one. Now, let us read a story and answer. This is about Jane doesn't like shopping. Oh, that one. Okay. Jane doesn't like shopping. Okay, what do you think? You can find the answer in here, in the reading, in the text. Ano yun? Kalimutan ko dahil. Okay, ma'am. Okay, finished?
Can you wait me a minute?
Okay, number one is, what is the answer? Jane and her mother went shopping at the weekend. They went to town by blank plus blank. What is the answer? By? Okay, answer is, let me see. Jane and her mother went shopping. Oh, they went shopping by the bus. They carried two bags. And the bus stopped at the big supermarket. Okay. So they went to town by bus. Okay. And they carried two bags, and the bus stopped at the big supermarket. Okay, very good. Okay. So if we are only I will write part 5. Okay, we are in the part 5. Okay. On the next class, I will show you on the next class on what time? Kim.
Yes.
Okay, I will see you on 2 p.m. on 2 p.m.
Can you
Yeah, wait for a minute. Wait, teacher Anne. Where is it? I forgot the schedule.
um
Next week. Okay, 2 p.m. on Monday and 2 p.m. on Thursday. So I will see you
to
2 p.m. on Monday. Okay? 2 p.m.
PM on
Kim.
Monday?
And Thursday, 2 p.m. Kim. Okay? Yeah. I will see you 2 p.m. on Monday and 2 p.m. on Thursday. Okay? See you on Monday, Kim. Bye-bye, Kim. Thank you so much. Very good today. Okay, remember that. Very good,
Yes.
huh? Yes. Oh, are you happy today? Happy?
Yes.
Yay. Thank you, Kim. Bye-bye, Kim.
Goodbye.
Yeah. Okay, please answer the homework. Okay?
Can you
Okay, welcome.